I speak on behalf of NAMLEF. I also speak on behalf of Supreme Council, the Chairman Hassan Olenado. I speak on behalf of the Muslim lawyers. I speak on behalf of Al-Amin Mosque. I speak on behalf of Pakrat Muslim Youth and also Ranafa Foundation. So, Your Excellency, first and foremost, since I come from Jamia, I will make my appeal on behalf of Jamia and then on behalf of the Muslim of this county. We appreciate your that has eased the congestion at the mosque. This is a noble gesture towards Muslims, and we would like to request you to continue with this gracious gesture in the coming years, Your Excellency. Secondly, as you know, Jamia is not only the biggest mosque in the country, but also one of the most important religious institutions in this country. The mosque is frequented by thousands of people on a daily basis, and accessibility to the mosque by worshippers has been one of the main challenges we continue to face with the growing numbers of mosque users. To ease accessibility, it is our humble request that one side of Banda Close, which leads to the mosque entrance, is closed off to vehicular traffic, as this will help in the smooth movement of people to and from the mosque, as well as during emergencies. As you are aware, Mr. Governor, the mosque, like other places of worship, is a sanctified place and an area of serenity. At Jamia Mosque, however, noise emanating from bars around the mosque has been a common feature, which is in abhorrence to the sanctity and serenity of the environment of the mosque. We have raised this matter with relevant authorities in the past, but of much regret, no action has been taken. Therefore, we humbly request and appeal to your office to take the necessary measures to ensure that worshippers undertake their religious obligation in peace and serenity. The precincts of Jamia Mosque are afflicted with hawkers' menace, which affects again the mosque's serenity and is also a concern for security around the mosque and its environs. We request that measures are taken to relocate the hawkers from the areas surrounding the mosque. Your Excellency, as you know, Friday is an important day for Muslims, and thousands of people flock to mosques in their respective localities for the weekly obligatory prayers. In many mosques in Parklands, Park Road, Hurlingham, Eastleigh, and many others in the vicinity of Nairobi, motorists come to attend the prayers, later find their cars clamped by the Nairobi City County officers for parking. We would like to request, Your Excellency, that only for a period of 2 hours, from 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. on Fridays, that parking fees be exempted to allow worshippers to pray in peace and serenity. Among the religious obligation of Muslims is to ensure that Muslims are accorded burial under Islamic tenets at the quickest time upon their demise. Your Excellency, we have experienced incidents of unclaimed bodies of Muslims at city mortuary and other facilities which end up being disposed of. We appeal again, once again, to your office to waive the fees for the unclaimed bodies of Muslims so that we as a community can accord them a decent burial. Your Excellency, we implore you to waive land rates for all places of worship and to also move fast on your campaign promise, which you reiterated the other day, to dig boreholes in mosques in all the informal settlements. Your Excellency, our burial places at Kariako and Langata are getting full. Very soon, Muslims will have a challenge in providing a decent resting place for their dead. As you know, we don't bury homeland. We don't transport our bodies home and bury them. We are buried where we die. And therefore, we request you, Your Excellency, to provide new land for Muslims to respectfully bury